Here's how to download Geometry Dash for free on a Windows PC or laptop using an Android emulator in less than 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to start playing the official free version on your computer. Important note, this tutorial only covers a legitimate way to play the official free mobile version of Geometry Dash on a PC through an Android emulator. It does not use cracked software, modified files, or unauthorized downloads, and a full PC version available on Steam is still a paid game. First, download and install BlueStacks from its official website. Once the setup finishes, launch the emulator and sign in with your Google account. You'll see the Android home screen with the Google Play Store ready to use, just like on an Android device. Next, open the Google Play Store inside BlueStacks. Tap the search bar at the top and search for Geometry Dash Lite. Make sure you select the official listing from Laptop Games so you're installing the correct free version. Then, click the install button and wait for the download to finish. You'll see the installation progress, and when it's complete, the install button changes to a play button. Select play to launch the game for the first time. After that, the Geometry Dash main menu will appear. Choose any available level and begin playing using your keyboard. The emulator automatically maps basic controls, allowing you to enjoy the game on your PC without needing a touch screen. Now, if Geometry Dash doesn't appear in the Play Store or the emulator doesn't work correctly, there's another way. Try another reputable Android emulator that supports Google Play services. Sign in with the same Google account, open the Play Store, search for Geometry Dash Lite, install it, and launch the game the same way. Once the game is running, if performance feels slow, check that hardware virtualization is enabled on your computer and that your PC meets the emulator's recommended requirements. Also, remember to search specifically for Geometry Dash Lite since the full Geometry Dash PC release is a separate paid title. Once everything is set, Geometry Dash Lite will launch on your PC through the emulator, letting you enjoy the official free version with keyboard controls. Following these simple steps makes playing Geometry Dash Lite on your computer quick and easy.